give you a number one, too. They give you that.
Vivian, you're home from school. Are you happy?
That goes to the air.
Did Brenda get dropped off? Okay, thank you so much.
You can't ride now until they tell me.
I'll fill this out, no problem. Sorry, I waited.
Sorry, I didn't know what...
So nobody's with you right now on the bus? Come on, Vivian.
No, I don't have to over 10. I only have to have a parent over 10.
Okay.
I had a birthday, but I let her off already.
Let's go. Okay, thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow.
That's the right one now.
That's okay. I'll be over there tomorrow morning and find out. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Vivian?
I didn't use my stuff, you know.
You didn't use your stuff from your backpack? You didn't have to? Did they have pencils in class? They didn't have pencils in class? Did they have papers to write?
No, paper from your hands and then...
Oh, you did painting from your hands? Come on, tell me, what did you do?
Painting here, then I took off the paint and then pull up here and then wait, keep again and then you have to pick.
That's art. Awesome. So you did some arts and crafts then. Do you like doing that in school? Did you like school, Vivian, for the first day? Yeah? Did you like it? All right. Are you ready to go back tomorrow?
Yeah.
All right.
Who dressed you up?
Miss Penny.
Who dressed you up?
Poppy?
No, Miss Penny was in school.
The
Who
Poppy?
put clothes on you this morning? Your daddy did? Who gave you cereal? Who drank lechita? Uy, what do you mean nobody? You did drink lechita. Vamos pues. Vamos a ver qué vamos a hacer de comer para ti, para el pitufo. Now I just gotta wait 1 more hour and then Pitufo's here. Oh my gosh, then my day starts at 3 p.m. See you tomorrow?
See you tomorrow.
Did you like Mr. B, your bus driver? He is awesome. Pinche pitufa. Órale, métase, órale, a lavar trastes, a limpiar, a juntar su cuarto, órale. Every day. Every day.